Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best stick vacuum for dog hair. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Xiaomi. Model number, XMV9. 25.2 volt battery lasts 60 minutes on energy saving mode, 28 minutes on standard mode and 9 minutes on the max mode. Clean 380 square meters to charge your vacuum cleaner. Just put it on the wall-mounted charging dock, and it takes only 3.5 hours once. V9 is equipped with the unique Smart 3.0 air cooling system to ensure the battery is durable and strong. 4" stick vacuum and handheld vacuum can easily clean all kinds of dirt on various floors, carpet, furniture, stairs, sofa, bedding, window, curtain, cars, etc. 4 stages of complete sealing filtration system: metal pre-filter, cyclone separation, high-density sponge, high-efficiency HEPA filter and capture 99% of the microscopic dust. Suction these in the bin without entering the vacuum cleaner motor can also avoid secondary pollution during next using time. Built-in large brush, equipped with an independent motor, efficient cleaning of all kinds of particles, dust and hair and other dirt. Number 4. Brand name, Redkey. Model number, F10. Automatically adjust the suction power based on the amount of dust. 5 suction power adjustment levels, more than other versions 2 levels, improve efficiency, and extend service life. Powerful 400 watt motor, 140 air watts suction power, 23,000 pascal suction power. It can suck the dust in the recesses and corners of carpets and floors. The 2500 mAh large capacity Samsung battery guarantees you 60 minutes of battery life, guarantees your safety in use and guarantees a high quality healthy life. It is removable and easy to replace. According to the amount of dust, automatically adjust the suction power, 5-speed adjustment, 2 stops more than others. He is a thinking aspirator. From now on, you don't have to worry about insufficient suction force. Number 3. Brand name, Dreame. Model number, T20. The cordless vacuum cleaner can generate up to 150 air watts suction power and 25 kilopascal suction force. That ultra-strong suction power allows the T20 to clean deeper and more thoroughly than traditional vacuum cleaners. With 26 patents for the high-speed motor alone, the Space 4.0 motor can operate at 125,000 revolutions per minute. It can quickly recognize different types of floor and adjust suction power accordingly in real time, which enables the fast and thorough cleaning of deep-down dirt. The stick vacuum's intelligent auto mode adjusts suction power across floor types. The cordless handheld vacuum comes with several handy brushes. The crevice nozzle, 2-in-1 brush, all-surface brush, and mite removal brush are all easy to use and easy to install. Number 2. Brand name, Dreame. Model number, JV85 Pro. Dreame JV85 Pro is the most advanced cordless electric broom of the moment and with exceptional performance. It has a suction power of 200 air watts and a 550 watt high-speed brushless digital motor. This makes it the most powerful Dreame vacuum cleaner. In this way, it allows a deep cleaning that also removes micro dust, mites and allergens. The ergonomic design of the JV85 Pro allows you to clean anywhere and with ease. The electric broom has a modern and ergonomic design thanks to the grip of the practical handle on the top. The powerful lithium battery guarantees up to 70 minutes of autonomy with minimum power, allowing complete cleaning even of very large houses. Number 1. Brand name, Proscenic. Model number, P10. Equipped with a turbo 3.0 brushless high-power motor, the P10 cordless vacuum can produce a 22,000 pascals powerful suction in max, which easily picks up pets' hair, dirt and fine dust from hard floors and carpets. With LCD touchscreen on the vacuum body, you can check the battery level, error codes and suction modes, and adjust suction powers through the display. 4 stages of complete sealing filtration system: metal pre-filter, cyclone separation, high-density sponge, high-efficiency HEPA filter, and capture 99% of the microscopic dust.